Tracking SEO performance by URL or category is essential for optimizing your website and improving your rankings. If you're wondering how to track your SEO performance effectively by specific URLs or entire categories, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through a few easy steps that you can follow, plus an exclusive tool recommendation to make the process smoother. First, let's talk about why tracking SEO performance by URL or category matters. When you can break down performance this way, you get actionable insights. You can pinpoint which pages or categories are performing well and which need improvement. It helps you tweak your strategy for better results, and that's what we're after, optimization. Now, the key tool you'll need to get started is Google Analytics, or an SEO tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush. These platforms allow you to analyze your performance by URL or category, making it super easy to track your success. For tracking by URL, go into Google Analytics and head over to the Behavior section. From there, click on Site Content and then All Pages. Here, you'll see a breakdown of all your URLs. You can filter by specific pages or view general performance data like page views, bounce rate, and average session duration. This gives you a clear picture of how well each page is doing. If you want to dig deeper into SEO performance, using a tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush is a game changer. These platforms allow you to track keyword rankings for specific URLs and categories. For example, you can input a specific page or category URL and see how well it's ranking for certain keywords. This lets you know if your SEO efforts are hitting the mark or if you need to tweak things. Tracking by category is a little different, but just as important. Instead of looking at individual URLs, you can group your pages into categories and analyze how they perform as a whole. In tools like SEMrush, you can set up category groups and monitor their performance. This will give you an idea of how entire sections of your website are doing, helping you focus on what's working and what needs attention. The real benefit of tracking by URL or category is the ability to fine-tune your SEO strategy. If a specific page is underperforming, you can make adjustments like optimizing the content or improving internal linking. If an entire category is lagging, it may be time to rethink your keyword strategy for that section. Now, to make it even easier, I've tested out a few popular SEO tools, and I've found one that I recommend for tracking SEO performance by URL or category. It's a tool that streamlines the process, giving you clear, actionable insights. You'll find a link for an exclusive free trial to this tool in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. It's a great way to follow along and get hands-on experience with the features I'm talking about. Here's your key takeaway. Tracking SEO performance by URL or category gives you the granular data needed to fine-tune your SEO strategy for better results. Whether you're using Google Analytics for page-level insights or an SEO tool for deeper analysis, knowing how each page or category performs will make a huge difference. To quickly recap, first, use Google Analytics to track SEO by URL with page-level data. Then, dive into tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush for more in-depth keyword tracking. Lastly, don't forget the power of category tracking for a broader perspective on your website's performance. Remember to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description and start tracking your SEO performance today.